Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to an informative journey about a product that has set the bar high in its industry. The purpose of today's presentation is to provide a comprehensive overview of Product Service, the ultimate solution for your needs. Product Service is not just another run-off female innovation. It is the culmination of extensive research and a deep understanding of your requirements. Our team took an in-depth look at the challenges faced by individuals and businesses alike and crafted a solution that's not just adequate, but extraordinary. We are committed to delivering value to our consumer base, which is why we have equipped Product Service with several sophisticated features that cater to diverse needs. No stone has been left unturned in the making of this exceptional product. Our objective does not end at showcasing the mere capabilities of Product Service. Instead, we invite you to embark on a quest of transformation where you witness how our product can significantly improve your lifestyle or business operations. Immerse yourself in this demonstration where Product Service will reveal the full extent of its potential. Follow us on this journey and, perhaps, you will be persuaded to adopt this stellar, life-enhancing solution. Product Service is not just a product, it's a promise of efficiency, convenience, and unmatched performance. You are tapping into a world of endless possibilities, and your loyalty to us is what drives our constant innovation. Be it the comfort of your home or the fast-paced business world, our mission is to bring game-changing solutions that transcend the mundane. Central to our narrative about Product Service are the predominant features that make it a class apart. With innovative technology at its core, our product creates a seamless user experience. Its user-friendly interface ensures that whether you're a tech enthusiast or a first-time user, you can maximize Product Service effectively. But that's not all. Adapting to changing trends and integrating feedback is crucial for us. Therefore, we empower you with continuous updates, ensuring that you always have access to the latest and most effective solutions. In today's dynamic world, security is king. With Product Service, you can rest assured that strict security measures have been put in place to protect your privacy and data, providing a reliable and secure environment that you can trust. One of the distinctive advantages of Product Service is its adaptability. It is designed to integrate effortlessly within already existing infrastructures, scaling its operations just as your requirements evolve. With Product Service, the possibilities are not limited, they are boundless. We aim to keep it personal, ensuring that our product caters distinctively to your specific requirements. Our usability, customizability, adaptability, etc., ensures that it serves not just businesses, but individuals, too, rewarding them with a tailored experience. This tale of innovation could not be complete without the profound impact that Product Service has had on industry verticals and personal lives. Countless success stories stand as a testament to our unwavering commitment to transforming ideas into reality. A quintessential part of the Product Service experience is the unmatched support and service we provide. We value your association and strive to keep you satisfied at every step. Any questions, any concerns, we're here, and we're listening. Agility, simplicity, efficiency, these are the cornerstones of Product Service. Unleash the power of game-changing innovation that is designed to make a difference. Welcome to a world where solutions come alive, breathing new life into agile challenges. Welcome to a space ruled by a product that embodies progress and innovation. Welcome to the universe of Product Service, the definitive answer to all your needs. Raking up inefficiencies for businesses and enhancing lifestyles for individuals, Product Service has proven that it's not just a product but a happy revolution. See how our solution has been tirelessly working behind the scenes, impacting millions of lives and businesses. Product Service. It's much more than a simple line of code, a sleek design, a seamless interface, or a proficient support system. It's about constantly exceeding expectations, proving to be the essential guidance for the present, and a visionary for the future. Here at Company Name, we're not just about creating products. We're visionary crusaders on a mission to induce a significant digital uplift, bridging the gap between technology and reality. Stay with us on this journey as we continue to evolve, innovate, and redefine. Let us guide you through the intricacies, the efficiencies, and the endless possibilities that Product Service provides. Together, we can uncover a world of unbound potential, empowered by a solution that's set to provide outcomes beyond your imagination. Are you ready to take the quantum leap? Are you prepared to open up to unparalleled growth and immense potential? Well then, it's time to embrace Product Service. The clock is ticking, Your journey is about to begin. Keep exploring, keep innovating, and let product service be an integral part of your journey. It's time to take responsibility, to make a change, to thrive and succeed. Let's elevate and grow together. As we come to the end of this informational presentation, we invite you to further explore product service. Immerse yourself into its world, uncover its potential, and prepare to redefine your own. Welcome to the future powered by product service. We're excited about the journey ahead and are here to support you at every step. As you take the leap into the world of product service, rest assured that you are not alone. Your success is our success, and together, we'll make the impossible possible. Time has come to embrace the future, infused with outstanding capabilities, superlative performance, robust security, and unlimited potential. Welcome to the ecosystem of product service, the ultimate solution for seamless experiences, boundless possibilities, and sustained success. As we sign off, we would like to extend our gratitude for joining us in this journey. Remember, the world is on the brink of transformation, and you have the power to steer it. Step forth with conviction, welcome this technological revolution, and watch as your dreams unfold right before your eyes. Company name, thanks you once again for your valuable time and continued patronage. Keep pushing boundaries, keep creating, and we will continue to stand by you, ensuring you have the guidance, the tools, and the encouragement to excel. As you dive into the realm of product service, stay updated, stay connected, and most importantly, stay committed to constant evolution. The future is now at your fingertips. Are you ready to grab it? Stay connected with us and our vibrant community to continue learning, growing, and to witness the powerful impact of product service. With you by our side, the journey to making the world a better place is not too far off. No journey is complete without a community to share it with. Welcome to the product service community, a vibrant network of doers, innovators, and visionaries. It's time to join the movement and rewrite the rulebook of possibilities. As we conclude this presentation, we are excited about the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. We invite you, our esteemed audience, to take charge, embrace change, and be the driving force of this digital evolution. Step into the future with product service. Let's continue this journey of technological revolution, transformation, and growth together. We are committed to innovating, pushing boundaries, and creating better solutions. The future is here. Welcome to the era of product service.